In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a services page to your Wix website. This is a simpler process than it might initially seem. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll not only have added a new services page effectively, but also have picked up some fundamental skills for working with Wix. Begin the process by navigating to the Wix website. This is where all the magic happens. Ensure you're signed in to your account. Once logged in, you will be able to access and manage all your Wix sites. The next step involves interacting with your site's interface. Look for the Pages and Menu option. This will usually appear among the options on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Give that a click. Here is where you can manage all the pages that you have on your site and even create new ones. It is a hub of sorts for anything related to the pages on your website. Once inside the Pages and Menu section, your next move is to identify the option that lets you add new pages. In most cases, you will find the Add Pages option presented clearly. Click on this option, and you will be taken to a new section that might require a moment or two to get used to. Here, you're presented with a range of page options to add to your site, all presented for your convenience. I invite you to roam your eyes towards the Services option. A click on the Services option helps signal to Wix that you are looking to add a services-oriented page to your site. Upon clicking the Services option, you'll be provided with a selection of templates and page designs that Wix offers for services pages. Take a moment to go through what's on offer, weigh your options, and choose what suits your brand best. Rest assured that the choice you make isn't set in stone, and you can always modify it later. Once you've settled on a choice, go ahead and click on the Add to Site option. The page will be added to your website ingredients, and it will now appear in your site's navigation. And there you have it. The addition of a services page to your Wix site is that straightforward. After following the steps set out in this tutorial, you should now have a functional services page ready to fill with your content. I hope you found these instructions engaging and easy to follow. With Wix, managing your web presence can be a seamless task. All it takes is a bit of guidance